Good morning, everyone. I am Yana. Today I'm going to present USAVE. It's the artifact I've been working as part of my individual project. The plan for this presentation includes introduction, project design, project requirements, prototype, one preview, and finally the conclusion. But what is USAVE? It's one app that combines student discounts and financial control. When I start to do researches about topics to work in this project, my goal was to find some challenge that was faced by us students. And the research shows that more and more students are having financial issues. And we are here in UK, almost 3 million students in higher education. And 58% says that their loan doesn't cover their costs. And 8% reports that they have financial stress. According to Complete University Guide, mental health is improved when the student has a clean budget plan. In the current market today, we have apps that provide us discounts, but they don't support us how to manage our money. And if you think to have good results, we need to connect savings and budgeting and expenses as well. And that's the proposal of USAVE. The aim of this app is support students, university students, to make smart financial decisions. And for this, 5 objectives are listed here. The first one is integrate one student discount dashboard and also one planner, one simulator based on their savings and spendings, one tracker to see the results of their management financial, and finally one app that has one interface accessible and intuitive for our students. Moving on to project requirements, I consider the time frame for this project was 8 weeks. Because of this, I decided to just focus on UK students and the platform to be iOS, Android, the skills, and I consider as well the partnership necessary and the security and privacy. For the functions, we are going to see some images will be more easy to understand. The tools and technologies used. For this stage, I used one software called US Pilot. It's one software that provides images from texting sites and also Canva to help with design and to create the logo. And CapCut was used to produce one short video demo. To manage the project, Notion was used to track the deadlines and tasks. And finally, Google Forms to create one survey. Here are some tools necessary in case of one future development, APIs and so on. The next part is project management. I consider both waterfall and agile, but with the necessity of flexibility, feedback, and user-centered design, I decided to use agile. And here are the 6 stages of this workflow. Researching, planning, design, feedback collection from tutors, analysis until report and presentation submission. From that 6 stages, I divided in 8 sprints, and each sprint was responsible to get results as researching, planning, and I need to do some research after planning again, and until the feedback and reporting presentation. The Gantt chart was also one helpful tool just to visualize how the sprints was the process along the timeline. Let's to see now about the prototype. Here is the first screen, the home page and the profile setting, and the dashboard when we can have access to discounts and all the tools, savings, budget plan, tracker. Here the student will be able to set the budget he has available for the month and split it by categories. And from that input, the app will show which percentage of discount is available. From that input here is the advantage because we can see in the bar chart is the result of the difference between when we use discounts and when you don't use discounts. And for example, here for the food category, we set one amount of £100, and the app will be able to show us which discount is the best for us to help us to achieve our target. And here the final part is the result, how we can track our results by pie chart showing us where our money is going, and here the progress to motivate us to see along the time how much we are saving. And just to conclude with the prototype, here is a short video just to help us imagine how all these features will combine the app.
Welcome to YouSave, a smarter way to plan and save. Explore the complete page with many offers, helping you save money on a daily basis. The home dashboard brings everything together: discounts, savings simulator, budget tracker, and planner. The students can allocate their budget and see the discounts percentage available in each category. With the simulator, you can see exactly how discounts impact your spending. And more, SMART goals suggest discounts to help students stay within their budget. The tracker gives a picture showing where the expenses are and highlighting when spending is on track or over budget. And finally, the linear graph shows the progress of savings over the months. YouSave, make your student life better.
Moving to comparative analysis, apart from the other advantages, what YouSave is proposing is to create one educational value about financial control. And here are the results. In this stage was delivered one preview of the prototype, and for the expected result is to increase the use of discount students and improve our financial control. The technical keys, the tools I used was really helpful, but I found many limitations, not so interactive like Figma. The security and privacy are also essential points. And for personal point, for me this project was one huge challenge, but also one opportunity to put in practice what we've learned during the semester. It required a mix of skills like analysis, time management, design, communication, and more. The general conclusion, what is YouSave is proposal to combine in just one single app, students' discounts and financial planning. And the next step, it will be the survey. I prepared here one quick survey. I would like to ask you to scan this QR code. It's one short survey. You can be free to put your feedback or comments. It's a mix of quantitative and qualitative questions. It will help in the future development, maybe. Okay. Here are the references I used for this project. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me now or later. The survey, please. The answers are anonymous, don't need to worry. If you have any comment or feedback, feel free, and you'll be welcome. Thank you so much.